We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hello everyone, it's time for our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
你好 Alice, 我是 Josephine.
你好。
And during Chinese New Year, there's going to be a lot of celebration. And one thing the Chinese know, and I'm sure the Hakka who are Chinese too, know about food. 其实到了过年的时候呢，食物吃什么东西呢？这是中国人的一定要
天出愛嘅。
对，一定要有坚持的一个精神。我相信客家人一定有特別過年的年菜，對不對？
有啊。
I want to hear Alice tell us more about Hakka food delicacies that you eat and prepare during Chinese New Year.
笋乾，
笋乾，什麼東西很筍乾嗎？
咩笋可以自己乾啊？
沒有，係
吃嘅東西啊，笋乾啊。
是吃的東西，到底是什麼？笋乾是什麼？
就是它是竹筍的一種，但是它是扁扁那種的，你知道嗎？
哦 ，OK， 是像筍乾就對了。
哎，錯了。
哦 ，OK，so that's dried bamboo shoots. Okay，that's what Hakka eat. Okay，what else？
還有菜頭。
菜頭？什麼菜頭？
菜頭就是蘿蔔啊。
哦，菜頭啦。
係啊，菜頭。
哎呀，他講第一就知啊，菜頭。
哎，錯啦，錯啦。
Okay，that's turnip. Okay，what else？
還有蔥年菜。
蔥年菜。OK， 我還是不懂這是什麼。
我如果講閩南語，你應該知道。掛菜。
啊，掛菜是哈卡客家人喜歡吃的東西啊。
公年愛吃蔥年菜，蔥叫叫啊。
哦，蔥年菜。哦，that's what it's called. It actually literally means a long year veggie. You know, and so you eat that during Chinese New Year to represent prosperity and, you know, foreverness. So it's kind of a Taiwanese green veggie. That's what it is. Okay. 還有，
走馬肉。
走馬肉。等一下，走馬肉。馬肉
咩嘅馬肉哦，
驚死人啊！
走馬係個粉粉嘅東西。紅糟它是一種吃的東西啊，但是你要把那種肉醃製在那種走馬裡面。
所以是什麼？豬肉嗎？還是都可以？
全部做的啦，
什麼肉都可以。
豬肉啦、鴨肉啦、雞肉啦，全部做的。
Oh, whether it's chicken, whether it's beef, whether it's pork, it doesn't matter. But they have this red spice. And it's sautéed in meat, and they eat this. The Hakka eat this during Chinese New Year. 再講一次怎麼說？
走馬肉。
走馬肉。
過年時間啊，就會準備走馬肉俾你食。
走馬肉一定要。
好
不好？
好，沒問題。
All right, great. I'm looking forward to that. Well, that's our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只識張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.